Well, today I want to focus our conversation on a product that we have brought to market together called the Quadra Mini Server. And maybe, it might be interesting from your perspective, Dom, to tell the story of how this even came to be, because I know it was a little bit of a joint project from the perspective that you had the vision. I think you had a customer or two with some very specific requirements. You met NetInt and learned about the VPU. We looked at what you're doing and together looked at each other and said, this thing needs to exist. So, what was the genesis, the story of the Quadra mini server?
Right. So, as I mentioned, Advantech builds purpose-built uh, appliances, and we are very vertically driven. So we have teams, product teams, and sales teams that are focused on the video vertical, which is broadcasting and ProAV. And what we've seen, we try to design solutions, not just a cookie cutter box, but we try to design solutions that somewhat will be meeting the customer specific application. And then we have an ability to customize. So what we've seen is that we customers are looking typically to do three things, and I mentioned it. They're trying to either reduce the footprint of their product or solution. So not every application allows a rack mount system. The second is they're trying to reduce the cost, right? The cost per stream is how they measure the output. And then the third thing is to everybody wants to increase performance. So